Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
Okay, let's debate this tonight. I mean, it's impossible that you can have a private army build up arms like this and create a situation where they are running a virtual township of 260 acres. It is impossible that this happens without political support. This has political support. Politicians have allowed this to happen. Let there be no doubt about that, which is why I begin by saying tonight, as I welcome my guests, this is not an incident or an accident or a clash. This is something for which the politicians will have to take responsibility. The only question tonight is which politicians take responsibility. Let's debate that tonight. Shahid Siddiqui, former MP, Ravidas Mehrotra of the Samajwadi Party, Asim Wakar of the Samajwadi Party, Sudhindra Bhadoria of the BSP, Atul Kumar Anjan of the Communist Party, Vikram Singh, former DGP, Uttar Pradesh, and Siddharth Nath Singh on your screen. Let's debate. Now, who's responsible? I want Atul Kumar Anjan and Asim Wakar to come in. Atul Kumar Anjan, could this have happened without the Samajwadi Party allowing it? They are your allies. You're friendly with them. Had this happened in a BJP ruled state, you'd have gone after the BJP. But because it's the Samajwadi Party, you're going to go soft, I presume. Because it's the Samajwadi Party, you're going to hold back your own analysis of the situation. Thousands of activists of this Azad Bharat Vidhik, Vaicharik, Kranti, Satyagrahi illegally occupy government land at Jawahar Park. It takes the Samajwadi Party government 873 days to wake up. 873 days, 260 acres occupied. Now let me tell you about the arms that these people were carrying. 44 arms of 315 bore, 2 12 bore, 1 factory made 315 bore rifle, 1 12 bore rifle, 4 315 bore. These people had grenades. Atul Kumar Anjan, they had country made guns, they had rifles, they had pistols, and they had cartridges. Had this been the Bajrang Dal, you would have gone hammer and tongs. But because this has happened under a Samajwadi Party government, you are quiet tonight. Why are you quiet? Why aren't you taking on Mulayam Singh Yadav? Why aren't you asking for his resignation, Atul Kumar Anjan?
Mr. Arnab Goswami, you are in habit of accusing the people. You don't know anything. You don't know anything about the Mathura incident. Yesterday on your television, just listen. Don't shout, don't shout. Yesterday on your television, at 8 o'clock I have made many revelations and you don't know. Today you have woke up. It is hardly 150 kilometers from the national capital. Since last 3 years, we are organizing, we are on a hunger strike. At our All India Kisan Sabha is on a hunger strike. And we are fighting against the Jai Gurudev. He has taken over more than 2,000 hectares of land of the farmers.
Who allowed him?
They are in distress.
Who allowed him?
Fighting.
Who allowed him?
Reported that one.
Who allowed him?
You are trying
Who
to become
allowed
the
him?
hero.
Who
Don't
allowed
try
him
to
to take
become
over
the
the
hero.
land?
Don't try to become the hero. And
No,
don't
who allowed
accuse
him to
all
take over the
political
land?
things. We are fighting. We are fighting at the gunpoint. We are fighting at the gunpoint.
Sir, who allowed him to take over the land?
And the chief minister, just now he says he doesn't. No, just a minute. Listen, Mr. Arnab. Now the chief minister says he had no information. I have made many representation during the last 3 years to all the government, whether it is the Mayawati government, whether it is the Mulayam Singh government, whether it is the Samajwadi government. This is happening. 2 years back, they were on the way to Delhi. All of a sudden they came
shouting,
and occupied the land. Do you know? This land is whom? Just a minute. This land belongs to Raja Mahendra Pratap, who was the first revolutionary who organized the government of India in exile in Kabul in 1923. This land was given by him to the government of Uttar Pradesh, and now it has been captured by this semi-religious organization. You see, such a big name is there. Many of them say they are the followers of Subhash Chandra Bose. They are demanding with the government that the government should declare where is the Subhash Chandra Bose. These are the anti-social elements. They got 2 days permission in 2000 year, in 2 years back. Now they are having it. It is the responsibility of district administration, state government, those who have supported this monster organization.
Now can I tell you something, sir? You didn't answer my question. There's no point getting angry. 1 minute. You didn't answer my question. There is no point getting angry. Ask the Samajwadi Party.
Why you are making my own allegation?
1 minute.
What you know? Why you failed to report it? Last 3 years, our organization is sitting on dharna in Pannapur. Last 3 years, more than 300 people are sitting on dharna, men and women. Why you failed to report it?
Right.
What went wrong with you?
And you did no alliance with the Samajwadi Party in this period. You didn't say that you'll form a third or a fourth front with them. Did you sit on a dharna against the Mulayam Singh Yadav government? You did. I want Syed Asim Wakar to answer tonight. Syed Asim Wakar, listen. Syed Asim Wakar, listen. ये जो आर्म्स होते हैं, सुनिए Syed Asim Wakar, ये जो आप लोगों ने ये बना,
neither administration nor the government nor the police.
Sir, 24 people have died, 40 are injured, 23 policemen have been admitted to the hospital, 2 of them have died.
आपने आज आप बहुत बड़े concerned हैं. Why you have not reported it 6 months back? Who prevented you? When we were sitting on Bhook Hartal, on fast unto death since last years, why you have not reported it?
Arms don't fall from the sky.
Today now you want
arms don't fall from the sky. There was an arms build-up. There was an arms build-up.
Samajwadi Party.
There was an arms build-up. You allowed the private arms to be built up. You allowed the situation to fester. I want the Samajwadi Party to respond, please. Mr. Wakar Boliye. Mr. Wakar Boliye, explain to the people tonight. Let's show the pictures full frame one now. Let's show the pictures full frame so that people understand what's happened out here. These are not clashes. This is a private army. This is a 1 second, Atul Kumar Anjan, please. 130 people injured, viewers. 130 people injured. 2 policemen have been killed. 24 people have been killed in all. 260 acres of land has been taken over. Right? 47 guns, 6 rifles, 178 hand grenades, 20 crude bombs, and viewers, you will be shocked. Automatic weapons have been discovered from the spot. Automatic weapons have been discovered from the spot. Syed Asim Wakar, please explain. ये कैसे हुआ?
जो सर देखिए, बहुत साफ सी बात है, बहुत सेंसिटिव मैटर है. आपने देखा कि हमने अपने 2 जाबाज अधिकारियों को खोया है. हमारे 2 जाबाज अधिकारी शहीद हुए हैं. हमारी श्रद्धांजलि उनको है, हमारी सद्भावनाएं उनको हैं सबसे पहले. उसके बाद ये राम वृक्ष नाम का जो पौधा है, जो पेड़ बन गया, ये इनफैक्ट मध्य प्रदेश के सागर जिले में लगाया गया था. स्वाधीन भारत नेशनल मूवमेंट के नाम से ये एक संस्था चलाता था.
ये उत्तर प्रदेश में चल रही थी सर.
ये वहीं बड़ा हुआ, इसको
उत्तर प्रदेश में चल रही थी,
मिला वहीं सिंचाई मिली. और उसके बाद 2014 में ये कहकर कि दिल्ली जा रहे हैं, इसको मध्य प्रदेश से उत्तर प्रदेश भेजा गया. और उसके बाद में 2 दिन की परमिशन मांगकर कि हम यहाँ 2 दिन रुकना चाहते हैं, 2 दिन की परमिशन मांगकर ये उत्तर प्रदेश में मथुरा में रुक गया. और किस साजिश से किसने बड़ा किया, इसको किसने खाद पानी दिया, किसने यहां तक पहुंचाया, और उसके बाद ये 2 साल तक के वहां रुका रहा. कई बार इसको हटाने की कोशिश की गई. हमारे मुख्यमंत्री ने बहुत ईमानदार तरीके से ये बात कही. सर बात तो
आप क्यों नहीं सैयद असीम वकर, सुनिए, आपको लेक्चर नहीं आप लेक्चर देना चाहते हैं. आप, मैं बोल रहा हूं, मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए सैयद असीम वकर. लेट मी रिमाइंड यू सैयद असीम वकर, लेट मी रिमाइंड यू, आप सब ये बाबा लोगों के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं. आप ये नहीं, मेरी बात सुनिए सैयद असीम वकर. ये सेल्फ स्टाइल स्वामी बाबा लोग टाइप्स, यू नो, प्राइवेट आर्मी वाले, गुंडा जो इन तरह के आर्म्स रखते हैं, प्राइवेट आर्मी वाले, सब आप पॉलिटिशियंस इनको यूज करते हैं. लेट मी रिमाइंड यू, द ऑर्डर टू वेकेट द पब्लिक ऑर्डर केम पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी.
ये रामवृक्ष नाम का पौधा,
आप मेरी ये पौधा की बात नहीं है.
सींचा कहां गया, पानी कहां दिया गया, इसको खाद कहां से मिली, इसको ये उत्तर प्रदेश भेजा गया, साजिश के तहत भेजा गया.
और आप क्या कर रहे थे उत्तर प्रदेश में? नहीं, आप क्या कर रहे थे उत्तर प्रदेश में? नहीं, यू कैन नो वन सेक. शायद असीम वकर, मिस्टर वकर, लिसन टू मी. मिस्टर वकर, लिसन टू मी. मिस्टर वकर, लिसन टू मी. मैं कुछ कह रहा हूं, सवाल तो सुनिए. आप बोले ही जाने, आप लेक्चर दे रहे, बात तो सुन लीजिए मेरी. हाई कोर्ट की रूलिंग केम ऑन 20th May 2015। 20 मई 2015 को हाई कोर्ट की रूलिंग आई। आपने क्या किया? आज तक कुछ नहीं किया। जो ये ऑर्डर दिया गया पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी को वेकेट करने के लिए, ये एक पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन एक सिटीजन ने फाइल की इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट में। 1 साल हो गया, आपने कुछ नहीं किया, आप अलाउ करते रहे। आप आज बताइए किस आम आदमी को 260 एकड़ जमीन पर कब्जा करके इस तरह की प्राइवेट आर्मी बनाने दी जाएगी? बताइए किस आम आदमी को ये बनाने दी जाएगी? और ये अतुल कुमार रंजन आपसे सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे क्योंकि वो आपकी पॉलिटिक्स और उनकी पॉलिटिक्स एक तरफ है। वो बोलेंगे हम धरना में हैं, मगर आपको सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे। अतुल कुमार रंजन, आप इनको सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे।
गवर्नमेंट पैट्रोनाइज देम
जी,
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पैट्रोनाइज हॉलीगन्स।
डिबेट देखी नहीं कि सिर्फ सवाल पूछते रहो, जवाब मत लो। मैंने तो जिंदगी में
आप 1 साल से क्या कर रहे थे?
सिर्फ सवाल
आप 1 साल से क्या कर रहे थे?
जवाब देने का
1 साल से क्या कर रहे थे आप? अच्छा, लेट मी ओपन द डिबेट। बाय द वे, शाहिद सिद्दीकी, सुधींद्र भदौरिया, सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह, एवरीवन इज फ्री टू कम इन। सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह इज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन। सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह, सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह, सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह, सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह।
Arnab, since perhaps in Hindi the Samajwadi Party spokesperson will understand better, so मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा।
बोलिए।
वो कह रहे थे कि इसको खाद देते हुए मध्य प्रदेश से यहाँ भेजा, उत्तर प्रदेश में वो जम के बैठ गए, 2 दिन के लिए परमिशन ली थी, जम के बैठ गए थे और खाद देती रही मध्य प्रदेश की सरकार। इशारा हमारी तरफ है। तो मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं, भाई आपकी सेकुलर जो सरकार है वो 4 साल से क्या कर रही थी और 2 साल से क्या कर रही थी? आप सेकुलर हो, आप क्या कर रहे थे वहां पे? और आप इतने सेकुलर हो कि कम्युनल लोगों के बीच में क्या करने जा रहे थे? शिवपाल यादव, मुलायम सिंह यादव क्या करने जाते थे? और राम गोपाल यादव क्या कर रहे थे? वो जो 2 गुट है उसके लिए बीच में क्या बीज बो रहे थे?
आप क्या कह रहे हैं बताइए।
और शिवपाल यादव
डायरेक्ट सिद्धार्थ डायरेक्टली बोलिए।
थोड़ा सा आप लोग तो बड़े सेकुलर लोग हो, थोड़ा सा इसका भी जवाब दो कि अपने सेकुलरिज्म के अंदर what made you not to look after the law and order, and what made you that if arms and ammunitions and grenades were coming across the border from Madhya Pradesh and you could not do anything and you failed utterly?
मंत्री ने बहुत साफ तौर पर ये कह दिया है कि
मथुरा had to lose his life. SP of Mathura losing life. Do you understand what does that mean?
आकलन की कमी रही है।
What level of law and order you have brought it down? Please answer those questions since you are a secular state government.
इसके ऊपर गैर मुनासिब राजनीति नहीं होना चाहिए। जब मुख्यमंत्री ने यह कह दिया कि हमारे पास आकलन की कमी रही, सही आकलन हमारे पास नहीं हो पाया है,
आकलन की
तो
कमी रही,
गैर मुनासिब
नहीं आकलन की कमी रही का क्या मतलब है? 1 सेकंड, कुमार नरेंद्र सिंह is on the debate. Narendra Singh is asking a question to Syed Aseem Waqqar. Narendra Singh and Syed Aseem Waqqar, please. Narendra Singh
have lost their life. His intelligence failure is the cause of death of 22 innocent people, and that is the failure of intelligence which lies squarely with the chief minister since he holds the home department.
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि इनको कौन तो रसद दे रहा था, कहां से इनको सप्लाई आ रही थी, कौन इनको चीनी 20 रुपए किलो में बेचने के लिए यहां पर दे रहा था? ये सारे ऐसे इश्यूज हैं जिसका कि पता लगना बहुत जरूरी है। क्यों नहीं पता लग रहा है इस बात का? इनके पास वेपन्स कहां से आए? इंटेलिजेंसिया क्या कर रही थी? क्या कर रही थी LIU? क्या कर रही थी आपकी लोकल इंटेलिजेंस?
नरेंद्र सिंह, मैं सवाल पूछूं आपसे?
देखिए
नरेंद्र सिंह, मैं सवाल पूछूं? 1 मिनट शायद असीम वक्कर, 1 मिनट शायद असीम वक्कर, 1 मिनट शायद असीम वक्कर। ये जांच हर चीज पे जांच, हर चीज पे जांच, हर चीज पे इस देश में सिर्फ एक ही
उसके बाद जांच
नहीं, ये जांच व्यूअर्स, आई एम आस्किंग यू शाहिद सिद्दीकी, एनीथिंग हैपेंस इन दिस कंट्री जांच, राइट? सैकड़ों लोग
जांच की नौबत क्यों आई?
सैकड़ों लोग मर जाए, जांच होगी। राइट्स हो जाए, जांच होगी। करप्शन हो जाए, जांच होगी। स्कैम्स हो जाए, जांच होगी। पुलिसमैन मारे जाए, जांच होगी। हर ये आप लोगों का जो ये एक ही वन लाइन रिकॉर्ड है, जांच। ये जांच को बंद कीजिए, कुछ एक्शन दिखाइए। शाहिद सिद्दीकी सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, मगर उसके पहले मैं नरेंद्र सिंह से पूछना चाहूंगा।
जाते हैं रंगे हाथों चोरी करते हुए तो ये जांच कराते हैं। अर्नब, प्रॉब्लम ये, द प्रॉब्लम इज
आपने तो जांच में पठानकोट में
यूपी गवर्नमेंट
आईएसआई तक को बुला लिया जांच कराने के
Did
लिए।
not take
आप
action.
जांच नहीं कराते हैं, आपकी इंटेलिजेंस फेल्यूर नहीं होती है। पठानकोट हमला हो गया, आपने
भाई बात करने दीजिए ना।
बुला लिया, आईएसआई आके जांच कर रही है।
सैयद साहब,
आपने जांच कराई कि नहीं
आप
कराई?
खामोश हो जाइए अब।
Orna, can you allow this national security issue be traded off?
Arnab, let me come in.
Shahid
Let me come in. They have
What is
failed
the
to
level of
take
corruption
action
bringing in?
Mathura, but they took action in Muzaffarnagar. During winters, they removed the camps of people who had become refugees. They took action against them for occupying government land. Here they allowed them to occupy the government land for 2 complete years, did not take any action in spite of the court orders. It is very clear that UP government was hand in glove with these people over there. But it is not only them. Everywhere we find the same thing. In every state, these so-called cults, so-called Babas, so-called Swamis, so-called Maulanas have political power, and they are always in league with the political people to hoodwink the people, the common man, and the common man is being taken for a ride by these very people, and politicians are completely hand in glove with these people. And here it is very, very clear that Mulayam Singh and his family was very much involved with what was happening in Mathura.
I find it impossible to believe, Sudhindra Badoria, that this could have happened without the patronage of the state government. I just cannot believe.
If you ask the question, they say you are politicizing the issue.
Yeah,
but the fact is that it is a political issue, it is politicized.
Well, the fact of the matter is, and we can give the history of these Babas. Let me put up pictures of some of these great Babas. Are they not a force multiplier during the election? You remember Gurmeet Ram Rahim? Ahead of the elections, BJP leaders were openly soliciting support from Gurmeet Ram Rahim. This person was getting open support. BJP leaders sought his blessings. So the whole trade-off is with these Babas, जब तक आप हमको सपोर्ट करने कुछ भी कीजिए, प्राइवेट आर्मी बना लीजिए, AK-47 लगा लीजिए, मनमानी कीजिए, रायट्स कराइए. Asaram Bapu, has the country forgotten Asaram Bapu? When there were serious allegations of rape against him, the BJP was backing him and labeled the charges against him a Congress conspiracy. And viewers, have we forgotten the frozen Baba? You remember this frozen Baba fellow? In Punjab, despite the Punjab and Haryana High Court directing the Punjab government to perform his last rites of supposed godman, this frozen Baba, within 15 days, his body was kept there, and it was a law and order problem that was being set up. So the fact of the matter is, Atul Kumar Ranjan, it's about the way in which political parties are allowing these so-called fraud godmen to do what on earth they want. जब तक ये ट्रांसफर हो जाए उनको सपोर्ट. और सैयद असीम वकर सच नहीं बोल रहे आज सुधींद्र बड़ौरिया. अगर सच बोलते आज तो जो नरेंद्र सिंह ने बोला है, नो रिलीजन तो के नाम पर कुछ भी होता है इस देश में. शाहिद सिद्दीकी, आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है, रिलीजन के नाम पर कितने ढोंगी बाबा घूम रहे हैं इस देश में.
मर्डर होता है.
जी, मैं सुधींद्र बडौरिया से पूछूंगा ताकि वो डिबेट करें. अतुल कुमार
बाबा भी करते हैं, मौलवी भी करते हैं, सब करते हैं,
सब करते हैं. मैं नहीं कह रहा, मैं कोई एक समुदाय की बात नहीं कह रहा, मैं कह रहा हूं सब करते हैं. मगर करने कौन देता है? करने कौन देता है? पनाह कौन देता है?
Jawar Bagh. Can I make a point now?
Sudhindra Badoria debating with Mr. Walker.
Now can I make my point?
Go ahead.
You see, this is a very serious issue. This whole group has been saying that this election system should be struck down. The present constitution should be struck down. It is not only that they are land mafia. They want to destroy the basic democratic fabric of this country. And there are likes of these all across Uttar Pradesh, and maybe they are elsewhere too. But let me also say this, that this incident in Mathura is not an isolated incident. It has happened in the past in Pratapgarh, where a DSP was killed. It has happened in Dadri, where an inspector was killed, and it has happened in so many other places. There are open gunfights taking place in jails like Banaras, like Ayodhya. Uttar Pradesh has become a complete hotbed of criminalization. And let me say this, it is not just a political point that I want to score. If this continues, there will be a complete lumpenization of Uttar Pradesh, and this will become a model. Now, they can kill an SP. It is not a minor incident. The biggest police officer of a district has been shot dead on gunpoint. I think this will send a signal to people, to the goons, that you can kill anybody in UP.
Yes.
And that will be the basic destruction of our democratic country.
Well, you know what these people want. Panah kaun de raha tha is my question. Vikram Singh, please come into the debate freely as you wish. And please tell me, could this have happened without the patronage of the Samajwadi Party government? अगर अखिलेश सरकार इसको अलाउ नहीं करती, could this have happened? Can people take over 260 acres of land and build a private army, have a parallel administration, their own banana republic government without the support of politicians? Vikram Singh, please.
This level of mafia depredations, Arnab, is not possible without the active connivance and blessings of all the powers that be and an infirm administration. वकार साहब, आपकी इत्तला के लिए अर्ज है कि ऐसी लाकानूनियत की इंतहा आज तक कभी सूबे ने नहीं देखी कि एसपी और इंस्पेक्टर एक साथ शहीद हों। और हम ये कह दें, हम इस गलत फहमी में रहें कि हमको इल्म नहीं था कि यहां पर लोग राइफल लेके बैठे हैं। Arnav, what you have mentioned, apart from that, there were Molotov cocktails. There were gas cylinders stolen from the Mathura gas refinery, and they were used very effectively in fieldcraft and tactics. The police cannot get away with the alibi that they were oblivious of the fact that they were armed to the teeth. They had absolute intelligence, but they chose to mark time because I suppose, and I hope I am wrong, that there was active connivance and arm twisting at the topmost level to see that they do not intervene. It is not rocket science that somebody comes. It was not just a pawn shop or a footpath that was encroached for which the SO was responsible. 260 acres, the lungs of Mathura, that portion was encroached upon, and no serious effort was ever made. To the contrary, they could have cut off the water supply, the electric supply, but they chose to give milk supply to them and handle them with absolute kid gloves. You can see how really serious they were about removal of those encroachments, because it was some kind of a tacit understanding between them and the powers that be. You scratch my back and I'll scratch your back. People like Ram Vriksh, for wherever they have been, whatever their progeny, whatever their pedigree, they should have gone to jail. And under section 121 for waging war against the nation, as also section 14(2), Mr. Waqar Sahab, कि चल अचल संपत्ति दोनों कुर्क करके इनको जेल में भेजें, जहां से वो जिंदा लौट के जेल से वापस ना आए, सजाए मौत या फिर वहीं पर पूरी तन्हाई में।
नहीं, एक्सेप्टेड क्या होगा? आपने तो अलाउ किया, तो आप एडमिट तो कीजिए कि आपके सरकार ने पनाह दी इनको। आप एडमिट कीजिए, वहां पे फूड और सप्लाईज कौन भेज रहा था? 1 मिनट शायद असीम वकार, मैं आपसे कुछ कह रहा हूं, नरेंद्र सिंह विल रिस्पॉन्ड। नो, यू टेल मी शायद असीम वकार, टेल मी प्लीज, और बात सुनिए, पनाह कौन दे रहा था? जिसने पनाह दिया उसने जुल्म किया। The person who has protected this private army is responsible for the deaths of the police officers.
बुलडोजर चला दिए ठंड में, रात में, यहाँ क्यों नहीं चलाए बुलडोजर?
हमारे क्या उत्तर प्रदेश में आप पेपर उठा के देखिए, रोज जो सरकारी जमीनें हैं जो लोग कब्जा किए हुए हैं वो सब खाली कराई जा रही हैं। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी वैसे भी सब जमीनों को खाली करा रहे हैं जो बहुत अरसे से कब्जा किए हुए थे।
इसको क्यों नहीं कराया खाली?
ना हो तो मैं आपको
आपके रिश्तेदार
की मैं आपके पास भेज दूंगा सबूत, लेकिन सच्चाई आपके रिश्तेदार की होगी साहब।
वकार साहब, एक बहुत छोटा सा
राजनीति गंदी मत कीजिए, यहाँ पर
कोर्ट ऑर्डर के बावजूद
बात कीजिए, सिंसियर मैटर है।
वकार साहब, एक बहुत मामूली सा मशवरा है
सर, मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुली आप लोगों से कह रहा हूं कि इस तरह के हादसे सिर्फ उत्तर प्रदेश में पहली बार नहीं हुए हैं। क्या इससे पहले
पहली बार, दूसरी बार, तीसरी बार की बात नहीं है।
इससे पहले झारखंड में नहीं हुआ, इससे पहले इंटेलिजेंस फेल्यूर पठानकोट में नहीं हुआ,
मिस्टर वकार बात सुनिए प्लीज, फॉर गॉड सेक। मिस्टर वकार, one second, विक्रम सिंह, one second, I want to ask a question. शाहिद असीम वकार, प्लीज टेल मी, 3-4 हजार लोग जिनका दिमाग खराब हो, 3 या 4 हजार लोग जिनका दिमाग खराब हो, वो 260 एकड़ पे बैठ के इतनी बड़ी आर्मी बना दे। आपको समझ में नहीं आता कि वो लोगों की जान जाने वाली है? ये लोग, इनका दिमाग खराब है। ये कहते हैं कि आजाद हिंद फौज के, आप क्यों बोल रहे हैं उनके लिए? आजाद हिंद फौज के करेंसी नोट्स लाए जाए। वो कहते हैं कि पेट्रोल और डीजल 1 रुपए प्रति लीटर में बेचा जाए। वो सोने के कॉइन्स हो, रुपी नोट्स चले गए हो। ये जितने लोग थे, इनका तो बिल्कुल दिमाग खराब है। और उसके ऊपर दिमागी हालत उनकी ठीक नहीं है, उसके ऊपर वो इस तरह के आर्म्स को कलेक्ट करते हैं। आपको कुछ पता नहीं था? आप पहले नरेंद्र सिंह के बात का जवाब दीजिए। खाना उनको कौन दे रहा था? दूध उनको कौन भेज रहा था? पनाह उनको कौन दे रहा था? आज जवाब दीजिए, क्योंकि आप जवाब देंगे आज, क्योंकि जो भी पनाह दे रहा था उनको, दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डेथ्स ऑफ पुलिसमैन। एंड आई एम सॉरी टू से दिस, पॉलिटिशियंस लाइक यू डोंट फील एनीथिंग सैयद असीम वकार व्हेन पुलिसमैन एंड पीपल इन यूनिफॉर्म डाई। आपको तो लगता है कि ये शहीद होने के लिए पुलिस फोर्स में आए हैं, आपको तो ऐसे ही लगता है। आप जवाब दीजिए, पनाह कौन दे रहा था? पनाह कौन दे रहा था? Who was supporting them? Who was supporting them? Who was allowing the food to go in? Who was allowing the milk to be given in? Who was sending the rations to these people? You allow a private army to be built up like that? You think the people of this country are blind?
जब आप मुझे सवालात के,
आप मेरी बात सुनिए, पहले नरेंद्र सिंह के बात का जवाब दीजिए। नरेंद्र सिंह, क्या आपको जवाब मिला? नरेंद्र सिंह, डिड यू गेट अ रिप्लाई?
कर रहे हैं, जवाब आप कहां ले रहे हैं?
नहीं मिला, जवाब तो नहीं मिला। नरेंद्र सिंह पूछिए फिर से। नरेंद्र सिंह के बात का जवाब दीजिए। नरेंद्र सिंह,
मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि 2.5 वर्ष से ये लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद थे। 2.5 वर्ष से इनको कौन तो सप्लाईज दे रहा था? कौन इनको फूड हैबिट्स की, और फिर इनको कौन सप्लाई आर्म्स कर रहा था? इनके पास इतना बड़ा आर्म्स का जखीरा कहां से आ गया? इसकी जांच क्यों नहीं हुई? अब आप जांच की बात कर रहे हैं। जब ये लोग यहाँ पर थे, तब उस वक्त जांच क्यों नहीं कराई गई? नहीं, इनकी क्यों नहीं थॉरो चेकिंग की गई?
आज एक एसएमएस मिला है मुझे, एक एसएमएस मिला है। सुनिए वकार जी, इसी वक्त मुझे एक एसएमएस मिला है, मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाना चाहूंगा ताकि आप जाने कि इस देश की जनता क्या समझती है आप लोग जैसे नेताओं के बारे में। मेरी बात सुनिए, मैं एसएमएस पढ़ रहा हूं, आप जरा सुन लीजिए।
जवाब नहीं देने दीजिएगा।
आप पहले मैं जो एसएमएस पढ़ूंगा इसको सुन लीजिए। मुझे एक एसएमएस मिला है और मैं आज ये कहूंगा कि आज ये देश की हालत ऐसे हो गई है कि लोग ऐसे मुझे मैसेजेस भेज रहे हैं। अतुल कुमार अंजान, आप भी जरा सुनिए ताकि ये जो देश जो देख रहा है, और फुल फ्रेम विजुअल्स इफ आई कैन हैव इट फॉर अ मिनट प्लीज। आई मीन 24 पीपल डेड। एक 3000 लोग जिनकी मानसिक हालत ठीक नहीं है, वो किसी भी तरह के आर्म्स लेके वो किसी को भी अटैक करें, और पॉलिटिशियन आके बोले हमको भाई पता ही नहीं था कि इनके पास AK-47 है, ये कार्ट्रिज है, वो कार्ट्रिज है। ये लोग कोई कल्ट नहीं है, ये ऑर्गेनाइज्ड आर्मी है, ये प्रोफेशनल गुंडाज हैं, ये रिलीजन का नाम यूज करते हैं इस तरह का काम धंधा करने के लिए, और कोई उनको बोले कि ये अलाउड नहीं होगा। आज 2 पुलिसमैन शहीद हो गए हैं। And I want to read out what one viewer has sent, Shahid Siddiqui and Atul Kumar Anjan. The viewer says this: पहरेदार पहरा देते रहो, चौकीदार आवाज लगाते रहो, मालिक मकान जगते रहो, चोर चोरी करते रहो, जांच कमीशन आ रहा है। यह फीलिंग है लोगों में। 24 लोग मर जाए और सैयद असीम वकार सिर्फ टीवी पे आके अतुल कुमार अंजान ये बोले जांच कमीशन करेंगे, ये काफी है। 2 पुलिसमैन शहीद हो जाए ऐसे हालत में। आज आप मुझे बताइए अतुल कुमार अंजान, ऐसे कितने प्राइवेट आर्मीज है इस देश में? कितने राजनेता उनको यूज करते हैं? सच्चाई क्यों नहीं बोलते आप तो मुझे बहुत अटैक करते रहते हैं हर वक्त। आप पूछिए जिनको पूछना है, जिनको पूछना है उनको पूछिए।
आप जरा
हर बात पे आप मीडिया को दोष देते हैं, आप उनको तो पूछिए, आपके राजनीतिक सहयोगियों को।
आज मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं। नहीं आप चुप, नहीं आप चुप रहिए, मेरे कोई राजनीतिक सहयोगी नहीं है।
आपके समाजवादी पार्टी आपके राजनीतिक सहयोगी है।
प्लीज कीप क्वाइट एंड लिसन। Please keep quiet and listen.
It's okay, don't get aggressive.
I just want to ask, where was your bureau? It is 150 kilometers from Delhi. And where were your reporter? Why you have not reported since last? Today you are trying to become a champion.
Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, 1 minute. Now you listen to me. Now you listen to me, Atul Kumar Anjan. Now you listen to me, Atul Kumar Anjan. Who exposed Gurmeet Ram Rahim? You exposed him? 1 second. 1 second. 1 minute. 1 minute. Enough of this, Atul Kumar Anjan. Don't show your fake aggression on me because you can't say a word to the Samajwadi Party. You are scared of saying anything to the Samajwadi Party because your political equations will be spoiled with the Samajwadi Party. आप politics करते हैं. आप मेरी बात सुनिए. Atul Kumar Anjan, who exposed Gurmeet Ram Rahim? Atul Kumar Anjan or the media? Who exposed Asaram Bapu? Who exposed Asaram Bapu? Who exposed the Frozen Baba? Who exposed the Frozen Baba? It is our responsibility to expose every private army. What is the responsibility of the politicians? Enough is enough, Atul Kumar Anjan. We will expose the Frozen Baba. We will expose Asaram Bapu. We will expose Gurmeet Ram Rahim. We will expose the sale of Rajya Sabha seats. We will expose scams. Then what on earth are you politicians doing? What are you doing?
3 years. But you have
what are your political allies doing? Today you don't have the guts to say anything to the Samajwadi Party. आप में हिम्मत नहीं है आज समाजवादी पार्टी को एक भी सवाल पूछने के लिए. एक भी सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे आप आज. आप एक भी सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे उनको. आप एक भी सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे. आप एक भी सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे आज. सवाल तो पूछिए उनको. आप मेरी बात सुनिए. Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, where Mr. Anjan, there is a person who runs a government. There is okay, this is the logic of Atul Kumar Anjan. I'll explain the Atul Kumar Anjan logic. I will explain the Atul Kumar Anjan logic. 1 second, relax. No, why are you shouting?
You are conniving with them.
Atul Kumar Anjan.
You are conniving because Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose only narrow nationalism ideas and abusing the politicians.
Not one word against journalism. See, just not one word against the Samajwadi Party. He won't say one word against the Samajwadi Party.
With the same bush.
He won't say one word against the Samajwadi Party.
Restrict yourself.
He won't say one word against the Samajwadi Party.
Where you were when I was fighting against the Jai Gurudev? Why you have not reported it?
Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan.
I was leading the struggle.
Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan.
I was leading the struggle against this Jai Gurudev.
Mr. Anjan, who was in power? Were you doing a side deal with them to form a third front at the same time?
Why your reporter has not covered it?
Mr. Anjan, listen to me. Calm down first of all. Don't shout. The point is this, Mr. Anjan.
Why you were not reporting?
Mr. Anjan, think about it. You don't keep repeating yourself. Mr. Anjan, listen. Okay, here's the logic of Atul Kumar Anjan, if I can tell you, please. Viewers, I have a reporter in Lucknow. I have one reporter and one camera person in Lucknow. I want to know, Shahid Siddiqui, how many people are there in the Uttar Pradesh police? For God's sake, keep a sense of proportion, Atul Kumar Anjan. I have one reporter in Uttar Pradesh and Atul Kumar Anjan believes, I'll tell you 1 second, can I just say this please? Can I complete this statement please, and can Atul Kumar Anjan be quiet? I want to speak to the viewers directly. Viewers, understand the logic of Atul Kumar Anjan. I can understand the fact that he does not want to say a word against the Samajwadi Party, and can I not be interrupted for a minute? You see, Atul Kumar Anjan does not want to say one word against the Samajwadi Party very strongly because he feels a future political relationship with Mulayam Singh Yadav, and Akhilesh may get upset. Atul Kumar Anjan believes that one reporter of Times Now should do everything that hundreds of thousands of Uttar Pradesh policemen don't. So you have the UP police on one side and one reporter of Times Now on the other. Fantastic. This is your logic. I put this logic to the people tonight. You don't want to say one word against your political ally, which is why you think one reporter of Times Now will run the law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh. One reporter of Times Now will run the law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh. And what is the elected state government doing? I mean, it's incredible logic. Incredible. Congratulations, Atul Kumar Anjan. Congratulations. Congratulations, Atul Kumar Anjan. Shahid Siddiqui, I think you're really... Mr. Anjan, relax. Now, Shahid Siddiqui and
abusing against the left and democratic forces.
Calm down, sir.
Abusing the left and democratic forces. That doesn't mean.
Arnab, I want to raise a different point, rising above politics, rising above blame game.
You don't allow
what I want to know is that such a group, such a private army was there 150 kilometers from Delhi. Our intelligence agencies, which are supposed to be very active against terrorist groups, against armed groups, why did not they have an input? Why were they not aware that such a kind of army and such
हमको
kind of
बता रहे हैं,
arm is being
obscurantist
collected
criminal forces से
so
हम
close
समझौता
to
करेंगे।
the capital of Delhi,
बड़े भारी
the
क्रांतिकारी
capital
हो
of
गए।
India.
एक माइक और एक कैमरा
Why
है
there was
इसलिए।
no input
Don't
from the
try to
Central
abuse.
Home Ministry? Because tomorrow a terrorist group can be formed somewhere and get into this kind of activities, and we can say that it is the responsibility of the state government. So central government is also responsible, intelligence agencies are equally responsible, Home Ministry is equally responsible. I am not, of course UP government, UP administration is totally responsible, but at the same time present situation when we face the threat of terrorism, such groups should not be allowed to develop, such armies should not be allowed to be trained.
यस मिस्टर वकार, बोलिए बोलिए मिस्टर वकार। आप
200 सीआरपीएफ के जवान मार दिए जाते हैं तो वो इंटेलिजेंस फेल्यूर है कि नहीं है? जब पूरा का पूरा कांग्रेस का अमला साफ कर दिया जाता है,
the Samajwadi Party's accountability by raising this question. You know how the input from such incidents come. It's not terrorism where the center has to step in. There is a federal structure.
है कि नहीं है? इंदिरा जी की हत्या हुई, इंटेलिजेंस फेल्यूर है कि नहीं है? राजीव गांधी की हत्या हुई, इंटेलिजेंस फेल्यूर है कि नहीं है? कैसी बात करते हैं आप?
सुधींद्र भदौरिया कुछ कह रहे थे आपको। I want this.
Can I come in, Rahul?
No, he's justifying it.
He's
justifying it. He's justifying it. 1 second, Siddharth Nath Singh, please. Yes, Siddharth Nath Singh, please. You see the.
I am not justifying it.
Of course, you are justifying it. You have entertained this group for the last 1 year. You have turned a blind eye to what they are doing until the situation became grim. You please explain to me. Don't tell me about intelligence input. Saida Singh Wakar, मेरी बात सुनेंगे तो सवाल पूछूंगा, सवाल पूछेंगे तो आप एक्सपोज होंगे और आपको सवाल सुनना पड़ेगा अभी। प्लीज टेल मी।
क्या लोकसभा में इंटेलिजेंस फेल्यूर नहीं हुआ? इतने जवान हमारे शहीद हुए, किसकी जिम्मेदारी थी?
तो जवान शहीद होते रहे, तो जवान शहीद होते रहे, आप भी ये सो कॉल्ड इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर चलाते रहे। वाह, क्या ड्रामा है। जवान शहीद होते रहे, आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
मैंने आपसे जवाब पूछा है,
समाजवादी पार्टी
जवाब पूछा है,
मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ आपको।
हम ईमानदार लोग हैं।
सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह, प्लीज सिद्धार्थ।
National security and political patronage can be traded off. So I'm not getting into that with him.
ईमानदार जवाब दिया। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री ने बेबाक तरीके से,
अरे बाबा सुन लो,
कैमरे पर आकर ये बात,
अरे वकार बाबू, कभी कभी सुनने का प्रयास करा करो। इतना बोलते हो कि अखिलेश यादव को चुप होना पड़ जा रहा है।
स्वीकार किया हो तो मुझे जवाब इस चैनल पर चला के दिखाइए कि हाँ कोई और प्रधानमंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री भी ऐसा था।
नहीं, ज्यादा बोलने से आप सच तो नहीं हो जाती ना आपकी बात। आपने 1 मिनट नाउ, सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह कुछ कह रहे हैं। सैयदा सीम वकर 1 मिनट रुक जाइए, आपको पूरी तरह से मैं अभी 2 मिनट में एक्सपोज करने वाला हूँ। 1 मिनट प्लीज कंटिन्यू। या 2 मिनट रुक जाइए।
सिंपल पॉइंट, 2 simple point. One is to Sahid bhai that do not relate this into terrorism and the center stepping in. There is a federal structure. You are a very learned journalist. The federal structure allows the terrorism issue to be brought in.
What I'm saying is that tomorrow such thing can happen. So we have to be aware of it. Agencies have to be aware of what is happening.
शाहिद भाई, मैंने इंटरफेयर नहीं किया था। दिस इज अ लोकल इशू, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इशू। डू नॉट मेक एन
बात को डिस्टॉर्ट मत कीजिए भाई, मैंने डिस्टॉर्ट मत करो। मैंने ये नहीं कहा, मैं सिर्फ कह रहा हूँ कि कल को टेररिस्ट ग्रुप भी कोई ऐसा एक्टिव हो सकता है और सेंटर को पता ही ना लगे।
इनटू अ वेरी सीरियस इशू। शाहिद भाई, मैंने आपको इंटरफेयर नहीं किया।
इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस इशू।
मेरे बोल लेने दीजिए।
इट हैज सिक्योरिटी इंप्लीकेशंस।
अदब के साथ मैं कह रहा हूं, मुझे बोल लेने दीजिए।
जी बोलिए।
मैं खाली आपको इतना कह रहा हूं कि आप यू आर
बोलिए, डिस्टॉर्ट मत कीजिए।
लर्नेड जर्नलिस्ट एंड अ पॉलिटिशियन ऑल्सो, यू अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज अ डिविजन बिटवीन द सेंटर एंड द स्टेट. Such issues of land grab and a growing of a mafia is not a subject which the center has to look into. It is a subject which the state has to look into it. Now, if the local police and the ILOs, the chowki in charge, the SHOs, the SP is allowing arms and ammunition to be stored into that campus, and that becomes a war zone, please do not blame the center, because by doing so, Shahid bhai, people like you are absolving the Samajwadi Party.
No, I'll tell you who's absolving. No, I'll tell you who's absolving. I'll tell you who's absolving. One second. Yes, Sudhindra Bhadoria. Sudhindra Bhadoria, sir. Sudhindra Bhadoria.
No, I'm not absolving. I'm not absolving. But at the same time, Arnab, I would like to reply.
You see,
once he finishes, I would like to reply.
As I had said, and I want to reiterate.
Arnab, let me make a point. Arnab, let me clarify.
This is a serious issue.
No, I'm not absolving anybody, but at the same time, it is not just a mafia, land grab mafia issue.
Please let me complete.
How did
Shahid, let Mr. Bhadoria come in.
get collected there? How training was given there? Was the central government not aware? Or did they notify the UP government? Did they
fabric of democracy and
send the warnings to UP government? I would like to know.
Government can impose president's rule in Uttaranchal, where there has been no breakdown of constitutional machinery. Here in Uttar Pradesh, there is a complete breakdown of constitutional machinery. The police people are being killed, and not only that, they are preaching that abolish the election system, and you are still waiting. Why don't you ask for the Honorable Governor's report and take action against the Akhilesh government? And if you don't do, then the charge of a fixed match will stand against you, because you don't want to act against this government.
With all your political intelligence and IQ, let me just tell you, the first step to take the governor into account, that's the Home
Sudhindra Bhadoria.
You are the representative of all the
then the governor report will be taken and appropriate action will be taken. That's the job.
I know that, and the whole nation knows it. That Modi ji and you guys are the repository of all the intelligence and
Thank you for stopping. Now my question is, someone who is actually giving a clean chit tonight, I'm sorry to have to take him on again.
It's Samajwad.
No.
It's Atul Anjan.
No, it's Atul Anjan. And I'll tell you why Atul Anjan is doing this. Because according to Atul Anjan, and I hope he listens to me. I hope he listens to me for a minute. Sun lijiye Atul Anjan. I will explain one thing to you, and then you listen to me.
You are getting what you know. We were fighting against we are still on dharna. We are last 2 years.
What has your dharna done, bhai?
Let me speak.
Who has your dharna helped?
If you are fair, listen. If you are fair, listen. Listen fair if you are fair.
When will you listen? When will you listen?
Since last 2 years,
I watch what you are doing there.
Yes, sir. धरना वरना से कुछ नहीं होता. ये धरना वरना से कुछ एक तरफ धरना, दूसरी तरफ आप political गठजोड़. नहीं एक तरफ धरना, दूसरी तरफ political गठजोड़.
Conniving with them. Not allowed in politics anymore.
Conniving with them.
No, you have done in Bengal, you are doing in UP.
On Jaidev Guru, his driver and his one Tiwari, this was a dispute. And that dispute is being taken by some influential people in their interest.
Acha, will you listen to others? One second, will you listen to me? Will you listen to me?
You are conniving.
Mr. Anjan,
your
listen to me.
Your people have not reported.
Mr. Anjan, yes. I am responsible. I am telling you, you want me to say, I am responsible for what happened in Mathura. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy, Mr. Anjan? Are you happy, Mr. Anjan? Arrest my reporter for not stopping what happened in Mathura. Arrest me for what happening in Mathura. I mean, this is disgraceful logic, viewers.
You are the twister of truth.
Atul Kumar Anjan, yes, I am a terrible person. I am a twister of truth. I didn't stop the Mathura cult war from happening. I am the person who has given them panah for 3,000 people. I am the person who has got factory-made rifles, pistols, and cartridges and grenades and Molotov cocktails into the place. Arrest me. Happy? Arrest my reporter. We are responsible. Happy? Are you happy? Are you happy, Mr. Anjan? Now answer the question. Vikram Singh.
One say Akhilesh Yadav is guilty.
Arnab, it is unconvincing.
Vikram Singh.
You can be spared by
Arnab, it is unconvincing.
Vikram Singh. Yeah. I am responsible for what happened in Mathura. Happy? Great. Now answer the question. Go on.
I do not depend on the CIA and the KGB
abusing political leaders.
and the Mossad
you want
to
to
give me
become very clean
intelligence.
man.
I have my own sources of
छोड़िए,
intelligence.
आप
But
बहुत
if
ज़्यादा
the
आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
intelligence generated
आप बहुत ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. आप अपने को हिंदुस्तान का सबसे ईमानदार आदमी समझते हैं.
As
बहुत
I
बड़ा
presume
ईमानदार
must have
आदमी
happened in this case too.
जय गुरुदेव के खिलाफ मैं लड़ रहा हूँ 50 बार. 2 साल से लोग
Agreed, sir.
पड़े हैं, आंदोलन कर रहे हैं पन्नापुर में. आपके लोग नहीं गए थे।
नरेंद्र सिंह
किसान सभा के लोग पड़े हुए आदमी, आपको रिपोर्ट करने का मौका नहीं मिला।
It was because of the fact that they had to look
तिवारी को वहाँ पे जैन में जगह दे दी, रामबख्श को मथुरा में सेट कर दिया, मथुरा में रामबख्श को सेट कर दिया। अब ये तो ये सब ऊपर से पॉलिटिकल शेल्टर है इनको, ये पॉलिटिकल शेल्टर की वजह से हुआ है सब। आप इस बात को मान ही नहीं रहे।
टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के आदमी हैं,
इनको कौन फूड दे रहा था, कौन सप्लाई दे रहा था, कहां से इनका रसद आ रही थी, कहां से इन पे हथियार आ रहे थे। सारे जितने डीएम आते थे उनको ये मैसेज दिया जाता कि तुम इनको एंटरटेन करो, तुम इनको शेल्टर करो, तुम इनको प्रोवोक करो।
No, can I get Vikram Singh? Can I get Vikram Singh? And I just want to speak to Vikram Singh, please, viewers. Viewers, listen. If it makes any politician happy, 1 second. If it makes any politician happy to say that Times Now is responsible, 1 second, for 2 minutes, please. If it makes politicians happy to say that Times Now is responsible for what happened in Mathura today. Can I say something, please? Then okay, blame me. Blame me. Come here and arrest my entire NewsHour team today. Right? But I am asking a simple question to Vikram Singh, and Vikram Singh can answer the question, please, because Atul Kumar Anjan is not listening to me anymore. You see, Vikram Singh, Vikram Singh, the moot question is today, Akhilesh says, I did not know. We did not know that these people were so armed. On April 15th, if Atul Kumar Anjan were to stop shouting and listen to me, I would tell him also that on April 15th, the Mathura district administration issued a notice to an activist group asking them to vacate within 48 hours the hundreds of acres of government land. The notice said that the activists were openly displaying arms. So the government knew about it. The government knew they were heavily armed and did nothing. That's the point tonight, Vikram Singh. The government knew they were heavily armed and did nothing. Vikram Singh, please. Vikram Singh, please. Vikram Singh. Vikram Singh.
Highly unconvincing.
Vikram Singh.
The government and the local police were not aware of the arms stockpile. Everybody was aware of the arms stockpile, but it is for you to decide what weightage you will give to the intelligence. If you choose to act upon it, so be it. But if you choose to look the other way, well, don't expect the Mossad or the MI5 or the KGB and the CIA to give you intelligence. Intelligence was very much there. It was cogent and actionable intelligence. But why you chose to look the other way? और वकार साहब को मेरा एक बहुत ही आसान मशवरा है, इस पे गौर फरमाएं। हर जिले में 100 लोगों की फहरिस्त बनवाएं जो लाकानूनियत में मुलव्विस है, उनके ऊपर ऐसी कार्रवाई करें कि लोगों में अमन व अमान हो और एक विश्वास जागे, और इसके ऊपर ऐसी कार्रवाई करें कि कम से कम 10 साल तक वो जेल से बाहर तो ना आए
जी।
इतनी फौरी कार्रवाई तो कोई भी कर सकता है बिना एक पैसा उनके बजट लगाए हुए, लेकिन अगर हमने फैसला कर ही लिया कि हमको इस पे कार्रवाई नहीं करनी है तो इसके बारे में आप हजरत आप
और किया जाएगा।
मेहरबानी।
Well, I don't know what's happening in Uttar Pradesh. I just want to leave you with the visuals here tonight, please. Violence by a cult army has not happened in India for the first time. Today, 24 people have been killed in Uttar Pradesh. There is a trend in this country of open and brazen imparting and indulgence of violence. We said this week, viewers will remember, that the Bajrang Dal is carrying out weapons training camps, yet nothing is happening. We have said that fringe groups have formed Dharma Senas, so-called, and caught people who are 8 years old to fight some imaginary threat in Uttar Pradesh. Nobody has done anything. Intelligence has gone into coma. Law and order machinery has gone on a picnic. The state government looks the other way and policemen die. Atul Kumar Anjan feels the people who are most responsible for this present situation are Times Now and the media. I leave it to your judgment tonight. Who is responsible? Atul Anjan again? 1 second.
Yourself, you are the twister of truth. You are twister of truth.
That's what you said, sir. You didn't say one word against Atul. You didn't say one word against Syed Asim Waqar.
You have not fought.
You have not said anything against Waqar.
Our hundreds of the
you didn't give me
men and women are on the hunger strike. The government has not taken any
Hello,
action.
Atul
You
Anjan
are
has revealed this
supporting. You
entire
are
story.
supporting. You are the best supporter of all indecent people.
Fine, fine.
Your
We're terrible.
journalism
We're
is a
indecent. Arrest us.
Yellowish one.
Okay.
Yellowish one.
अनजान ने इसको इस डिबेट
Yellow.
का नाश मार दिया.
You are
इसमें कोई लाभ नहीं हुआ.
abusing us. Your own whole idea is to abuse Atul Kumar
समाजवादी
Anjan.
पार्टी पे कोई अनजान
Atul Kumar
नहीं किया.
Anjan. You don't know.
No, I think
I
it's
have been
personal.
in
Fine, fine. We
I
are
am
responsible.
fighting against
We
that
are in
fellow.
power in Uttar Pradesh. We are the ones who have hundreds of crores of rupees for improving police. We should wear uniforms tomorrow. We should take over the police in the state.
Adam,
Next time there's a rail accident, you'll say, why did you not stop the rail accident from happening? Politicians have no responsibility in this country. Narendra Singh.
they have lost their faith in the public. So why you have called him for no more reason? Unnecessary he is disturbing the entire debate.
UP government also.
Yes, Narendra Singh.
Ram Baksh का पता नहीं अभी तक whether he is alive or dead. Where is Ram Baksh? Ram Baksh Yadav is not traceable. Whether he is alive or dead, nobody knows. मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं कि पुलिस अब आगे क्या कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है. इंक्वायरी सेट की है, पहले आगरा के कमिश्नर को की, अब अलीगढ़ के कमिश्नर को कर दी. अब ऐसे कैसे उस इंक्वायरी का पता लगेगा? कौन करेगा इस इंक्वायरी को? पता ही नहीं लग पाएगा ये तो.
2 policemen killed.
DMSP का कंफर्म नहीं है whether they are suspended or
2
not.
policemen killed. 23 policemen hospitalized. 23 policemen injured.
हमें ये पता लगना चाहिए ना कि आफ्टर ऑल गवर्नमेंट
123 people arrested.
गवर्नमेंट किस तरफ किस दिशा में काम कर
The
रही है?
main accused Rambriks Yadav is on the run.
क्या पता?
47 guns, 6 rifles, 178 hand grenades, 20 crude bombs and automatic weapons.
Where is Ram Baksh Yadav?
If this is how this is what we are to expect from politicians, that they allowed this to happen under our nose, I leave this question to you tonight. It's happened in Uttar Pradesh today. What is the guarantee it won't happen? What is the guarantee it won't happen in Mumbai, in Delhi, in Pune, anywhere in the country tonight? Which is why this is not a local issue. I thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.